Okay, just in case you were thinking about getting a Volkswagen W8, here's a good reason not to. Replacing the AC compressor. There's the front of the car. My garage is a little small, so it's hard to get it all in there. So, the bumper cover is over here on the, right there. Got the pump out after a week or so. There's the front clip. You gotta get the front, you probably drop it back a little bit, but I found it easier just to pull a piece of crap off. Cooling fans, I had to remove those. And once I had this off, this alternator, missing a screw right there. Screw's missing. It's shaking. That was one of the reasons I pulled the car apart in the first place, because when the RPMs went above 2,000, it sounded like a pulley was shaking. So, power steering pump had to come off because the bolts would hit the power steering pump. So you had to move the power steering pump. Radiator had to be removed. The front grille, front clip, bumper, and the AC condenser had to be removed. Not fun. And now I found that bolt missing on the alternator here. I went to check on the price and they run like $700 for a new one because they're water cooled. Who water cools an alternator? Okay. W8 Volkswagen.